careful because that's involved. But this is progression, you know. This is what raiding's like, unfortunately.
Oh yeah, I understand that, and I'm really pleased about it.
5,
Right, 5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Bloodlust, go. Ricochet 5, border drill 5. Reaper Mines 10.
Beware.
Reaper Mines in 5, taunted now. Look like you're taking a bit of damage there. Border drill in 5, Ricochet spawning now. Border drill now.
Beware.
Getting second one. Getting third one.
Ricochet in 4, border drill in 5. When you can, wait 5 seconds game. Okay, dude, if you're gonna taunt like 10 seconds, you know, then you're gonna end up with 5 stacks. You have to be a little bit more careful of that, by the way. Bombs are coming out now.
Destruction.
Can someone take the bomb, please? Right, oh no, wait, I've got to ask. Leave it.
Beware.
Sorry about that. I'm going to come and taunt in 5k. I'll go taunt now actually, because you need help. Just wait 2 seconds, taunted now, go. Keep it up, guys. Careful tongue. 30 seconds, guys, keep it up.
Beware.
Taking first one bomb now.
Destruction.
Second one now. Third one now.
Go taunt when you can, mate. Or wait. Careful, Grozer. Taunt in 5k. I'll be fine with 3 stacks. Okay, taunt now, mate. Good job, Gabe.
Beware.
Perfect, buddy. Right, seismic activity. Get ready, guys. Got Asper up, please, because I've still got stacks on me. Right, get ready to stack on green in 5, 4. Healing totem, go. Right, stack up now. Go.
Beware.
Good. Wow, nice. Fucking good job, guys. Right, get ready. Grab these bombs nice and fast. Right, it's a pet sack then. Got wave 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bombs. You can get. Right, we'll res sniv. It's fine. We'll res sniv after this phase. There'll be less healing then. Good job. I'm gonna res 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get ready. Use it defensively if you can. Do not accept sniv. Right, go. Accept. Go. Get these bombs nice and fast. Nice. Good job, guys. Right, accept sniv. Let's wait 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Rebuff. Go. Back to the boss now. Right, I'll start game. Then you taunt when I'm on about 2 stacks. All right.
Okay.
Right, let's spread out, guys, but closer towards the boss, because otherwise we're gonna get fucked by the mines. Good job. Taunt on 2, Gabe. That's fine.
Spread out a bit.
Come on, guys. Let's taunt now. Good job, Gabe. Right, the bomb should be spawning any second. Reaper Mines now. Okay, good job.
Watching it.
Right. I don't need anyone to take the bomb. Fine.
Tang, run into healing if you need it.
Okay, man.
Do not die. 2 seconds, Gabe. 2 seconds. I'm gonna let you take. Okay, taunt it now.
Beware. Destruction.
Getting first bomb. Now.
Careful, minion. Careful, Gabe.
Beware.
Getting second one.
Big damage here, guys. Careful.
Use some self CDs if you have to. Don't be afraid to.
Move into the healing Tang if you need to.
Spread out as well, guys, please.
Wanted.
Thank you.
Beware.
Leave this up, lads. Bombs are spawning now. Bombs are in good position.
Destruction.
Right, taking second bomb now. Order draw in 5, get ready.
Careful last floor.
Beware.
Pet sack, I'm fine. And got the last bomb now. Good job, guys. Right, 5 seconds.
Destruction.
Now, Gabe. Wanted now. Right, get ready to stack up, guys.
Beware.
Right. Go. Get ready, guys. Sham,
Got
saving.
10 seconds on it, unfortunately.
Oh shit. Okay, guys, we're gonna have to stack up. Use some self CDs. Get ready. Right.
Not yet,
5.
not yet.
Not yet. 3, 2, 1. Now, everyone get up.
Beware.
Get here now. If you're not here now, come on. Nice, good job, guys. Nice jam. Right, focus now. Top people up. Use some self CDs if needed, guys. Got pulse in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now.
Beware.
Spawning now. Bombs, Gabe. Nice. Bomb. Oh, okay, got it. Nice one, Gabe. Nice one, Gabe.
I don't have a banner up for this.
Okay, it's fine. Just use some self CDs.
In the
Wait,
healing
3,
circle.
2, 1.
Beware.
And the cast is coming now. Good job. Keep it up, keep it up. Bombs now, fast.
Beware.
Let the tanks take them.
Watch out, guys.
Do not get hit, guys. Come on, come on. Right,
Don't have a lot of space.
get to that
Come on,
boss
move
now.
it.
Just focus. Be
Last
quiet.
floor defensive.
Gabe, take the
I'm
boss.
getting the bomb. Or the boss.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I've got all my defensive. Get the boss back into good
Yeah.
position now.
Moving.
Destruction.
Taunt when you have to. Got 1 minute, guy. Come
Beware.
on, guys.
Spread it
Really,
out.
really push him. Taunted now, Gabe.
Spread out, guys.
Everyone keep their focus. Do not start fucking up.
Spread out, please, guys.
Guys, spread the fuck out now.
We need to spread more.
Getting
Come on.
bombs.
Beware.
Getting second one. Getting third one.
Doing a pet sack. Done.
Destruction.
Taunt, Gabe. Nice, fast,
Hold it
fast.
now.
Thank you.
Beware. Destruction.
Yeah. Asta's fine. Asta's fine. Push it, guys. Come on. No one die. Groza, raise yourself now.
Beware.
Rebuff for Groza. Push it, guys. Push it. I've got the bomb. I've got the bomb.
10 seconds to
Push it.
6
Push it.
seconds.
Come on. Full nuke boss.
Healers do damage as well. Everyone do damage.
Come on. Yeah!
Congrats, guys.
I just woke up my parents in the next house.
Fuck that.
Me.
We got the
Guys,
kill.
fucking.
Blatant nail.
Photograph time.
Yeah, baby. Gabe, you have to let me have these fucking wrists, don't you?
Nice.
Anyone else?
Come
just
to the
function
front of
their
him.
hands.
His head looks better.
Oh, mastery. Oh, look
Actually, yeah.
at
See
those.
where I'm standing. This is a great spot for a picture. You get to see his weapons in his face.
Yeah, stand in front of the drill.
Guys,
yeah,
I
but
am-
by the drill sort of thing. That's good.
Guys, I am fucking proud of everyone. That was close.
Guys, and we had no food buffs, by the way.
Yeah.
Get in a
Right.
bit, minion.
Hold on, don't take it yet.
Come on,
God damn,
slacker.
Minnie's gonna be a fucking Gaylord, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, I've just noticed Minion's an all killer, by the way.
Good,
Minion, get the
guys.
fuck up with that shit.
Minion, go kind of near where Gabe is. Yeah, perfect.
Well, that's going on YouTube, I guess.
Awesome.
Got that.
Right,
Yeah, I've
guys.
got it recorded as well.
That was sexy.
Whoop. Okay. Oh,
Yes, guys.
heroic Warforge. Groza.
No, I'm me.
I mean, you know. Grats Groza.
Come on, let me
Grab
roll
I
this.
was rolling as well.
Do you use Spirit as DPS?
Yes, of course I do, and mastery.
Wait, blood? Fucking hell.
Haste
Right.
and mastery.
Okay, roll. Self, man.
Hey, how can you roll on that? That's haste.
Yeah, haste is not for tanks.
Yeah, but mastery for tanks.
Yes.
No, I'm joking. We're joking. EA face. Sorry, Gabe. That is the face, mate.
I get too much gear, I
Good
can't
job,
upgrade it all.
grabs Sham for the feet.
Oh, cool, Sham.
Yeah.
Nice.
Although
Guys,
it
I
says-
actually,
Yay!
I've just, I sort of shit myself. I don't know what to do. Help me.
What the hell?
User left your channel. User was moved out of your channel. User was moved out of your channel.
We actually
The
made
tank
it,
time
guys.
minion.
We actually made it. We
Yeah.
made it.
Please no. Please no. No, please. Please no.
Oh, that was exciting. Eat my storm mold. Bonk.
Yeah,
Please,
the
no.
tactics on this one's apparently mad. I've not even had a chance to read it too
I
much.
haven't had a chance to actually read it. So.
Well,
Had a little look
take it
over
like
it, but
this. With 3 melees, it's impossible. There's just no way to do it with 3